Hello everyone, I am Radhika. Today we are going to learn about some AI tools which are going to make sure that you don't miss out on your target position. We are going to learn how you can train yourself for an upcoming interviews and how you can build an effective CV for the jobs that you are going to apply and how you can automate the process of reaching out to the people in LinkedIn. If you want to learn about more such cool AI tools, link is in the description.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Our first tool is Jobscan. It has some cool features which offers us to compare our resume with the description of the job that we are going to apply. It will detect all the flaws in our resume because of which our resume has a slight potential to get rejected. The first step is to upload my resume. In the second step, I am going to paste the description of the job that I am going to apply for. After we are done, within no time, this AI gave us our report. As you can see, it gave us a proper constructive criticism that we needed to improve our CV. If we focus on cross sections, we can improve our resume so much. Guys, not only this, but you can also see the Guide Me section in the right panel of the screen. Previously, we used to seek out to resume to guide us through our CV, but now AI has made it so easy. This is the perfect example of how world is changing through AI. It's taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop. In this, we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description below now. Moving back to our next tool, which is Talentprise. When you are giving an interview, there are few questions like your strength, weaknesses, your plus point, what you can contribute to the company, etc. As a fresher, we often get confused while answering to these questions because we have not worked in a company before. We don't know the corporate culture and what they need as strengths and weaknesses in a perfect employee. We don't even know how will we react in a different situations while we are in corporate. This tool will help us evaluate ourselves. Let me show you how. First, we have to enter our basic details such as job preferences, our education, our date of birth, etc. After filling those, we get an assignment to solve. These are very basic questions that are related to everyday situations in a corporate. We get 24 questions in total, and if we give correct answers to each and every one of them, this AI will evaluate our strength, weakness, and other characteristics for us. See, after I have completed my assignment, this AI evaluated me. It shows my traits, competencies, values, motivations, and many other characteristics. It gave me a proper constructive criticism that I needed a lot to perform good in my interviews. Now, moving on to our next tool, which is going to save a lot of time for us. The name of this tool is Merlin and it's a Chrome extension. Let me show you what it does and how it works. This is one of my friend's profile in LinkedIn and I am going to show you a demo on this profile. When I open this message dialog box, you can see all the additional options that I am getting here. I will write just a casual prompt for this AI explaining what this message is going to be about. For example, I wrote that I want a job reference from her side for a post of digital marketer in a company which she is working. This AI will generate a text on my behalf and you can see the result here. So crazy, right? You don't have to spend your time thinking about the right words. The choice of right AI has just made your work so much easier. Just like these tools, if you want to learn more about some crazy AI tools, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. I will see you in my next video. All the best.